Welcome to a new episode of Demystify Tech. Today, we're diving into the world of cybersecurity and exploring a fundamental concept known as the CIA Triad. In a digital age filled with threats, understanding the CIA Triad is crucial to protect your data and systems. The CIA Triad stands for confidentiality, integrity, and availability. These three principles form the foundation of information security. Confidentiality ensures that data is only accessible to those who have the proper authorization. Think of it as a digital lock and key. It prevents unauthorized access. For example, your personal email should only be accessible by you and trusted individuals, not the entire world. Integrity focuses on the trustworthiness of data. It means that data remains unaltered and accurate. Any unauthorized changes or tampering should be detected. Imagine sending a legal document. You want to be sure it arrives without any alterations. Availability ensures that data and systems are accessible when needed. It's like having your online store up and running 24/7. Downtime can be costly. E-commerce websites need high availability to serve customers around the clock. In the banking world, confidentiality ensures your account details remain private. Integrity prevents fraudulent transactions. Availability guarantees that you can access your funds anytime. In healthcare, confidentiality safeguards patient records. Integrity ensures the accuracy of medical data. Availability means doctors can access crucial patient info during emergencies. Here are some tips to implement the CIA Triad in your digital life. Use strong, unique passwords. Employ encryption for sensitive data. And have a reliable backup strategy. In summary, the CIA Triad is the cornerstone of cybersecurity, protecting your data's confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Thanks for joining us on this cybersecurity journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech insights. We are Demystify Tech.